Handball. Mapupunta dito para sa Team Clara. First ball possession, the fake. Oh, stolen. And the pass. Oh, first blood for Team Region 2. Babawi kaya dito Team Clara. Drive, left-handed, left delay. Jume. And you go, stolen. No, binibete. And you. Number 34, the drive sweep, never stop. Oh, basket and one. Ties the game. Completing the 3-point play, it's no. Rebound, Team Clara, the long pass, stop fake, fire, foul, basket and one. The answer for 10 rebound dito para sa Team Cabra Region 2, inside pass na libretti na fourth pa. And the pass, corner pass. Pass it back, the fake, the drive, no look pass, top shot, bullseye for Anto. The stop, the pass to the right side. And looking for the space and the pass. Inside, kicks it out. And the pass number 10, number 34, fake, bump, kicks out. Number 6 for 3, Pino, no, don't score. Rebound for Team Clara. And the pass break, natapikan, recover 5, rejected, but there's a whistle. On the free throw, it's good again. What the pata, the final throw, that was good again, the net. And here's Team Cabra, Region 2 stolen for Team Clara. Straight to the hoop, reverse fly up, too high, no. Rebound Cabra, Region 2. And the pass, pinasa pabalik, 4 versus 2. Fire, short, tipsy, no. Rebound, put it back. Oh, the follow-up shot is good. Clara at the middle. Right pass, corner. Kepan Santolin, pass back to the left. Into the middle, Flores drives to the hoop. Grabing move yun. And a ball possession now, Cabra. And the pass to the left. Number 34. And bumalik. And space, nakalusot, pull-up jumper, no. Rebound for Team Clara. And stop, 3 rejected from behind. And rebound, the pass break all alone to the hoops, easy 2. Inbound Team Region 2. And the pass, na-recover the fires now. Ooh! Grabe yung follow-up shot, Cabra. And pinagpag na naman yung damit. To the right wings, to the corner. Inside pass, ang gandang pasahan nun. What a ball rotation for Team. Looking for the receiver, number 5, the receiver. Tinuro, gusto ng screen. Stop, inside pass, natapikan. Stolen for number for Hossein, the pass break. Inside pass, reverse fly up. Basket and one. What a hoop! Baltan, the drive, kicks it out. Domingo, number 5 for 3. Bang! Nothing but here comes Hossein, signaling the play. Crosses the mid lane, pass to the right wing, corner pass, and pass on 3. Bang! The answer! And the long pass. Corner, inside pass. Ang ganda naman balikan yon. Give and go play. Ang lupit, sinalaksak. Small but terrible, his look to, hindi nag-iingay. Looking for his possession. Oh, nalibre. Oh, nice pass. On Team Cabra, one angle pass, recover, and ball walk away. Stolen for Team Clara. To the hoop, Jumeli pa. What a hang time. Fourth. You go. Team Cabra, left wings, Baltan. Now with the leather. Pass to the middle. Corner left, 3. No. Rebound for Team Clara. Here you go. Number 8. Straight to the hoop. Oh, another hang time. The inbound. Pass inside. Top shot. In and out. Bad rebound. Put back now. And here you go, stolen for Team Clara. And goes inside to the hoop again, short. Rebound sa Team Cabra, pass break play. Libre. Place, pasok yan. And down to 1 point complete, 33-34. And pass to the middle. Manila pass to number 12, inside pass. Reverse layup, Zapata with the finish. Ball possession. And spin, and fake. Oh, drive-through! Wala! Sayang yung drive-through. Nagmakdo pa sana. And Listing Claraa kicks it out. Wild open fake. Attacks decided to drive. No! Mas pinaganda. Suporta mga bossing. Nagpaparami tayo. And now for Team Club Raa. Fires at 3. Too strong. Rebound. Fakes. Pump. Fire. No. Rebound libre. Easy to. For Team Cabra. Play. For Team Cabra. Corner pass. Fires at 3. No short. Rebound na pupunta sa Team Clara. The pass break. Left-handed. Oh! Almost dunk. It's a top shot mga bossing. Here's Team Cabra. Side step. Inside pass. Baseball pass. And libreng-libre. That is a easy two. And now, big. Goes inside, lays up. It's good. And ball possession. For Team Cabra, inside pass. To the middle. Crossover. Goes inside the pass. Kicks it out. To the middle again. Let's stop. Kicks out. Fakes. Goes inside. Oh, rejected. And the pass break. Ball stolen. And tap. Oh, hang time. And ball possession for Team Cabra. Behind the back. Three ball is spinning. Driving. Pinoy step. Inside pass. Oh, what a smooth. What a long pass. And good, that's two for Pineda. And ball possession, Cabra, corner pass. And pass to the middle, Domingo, left wing. Rebound, spin, Baltan, kicks out. Domingo, open look for three, short. Rebound, Baltan, fake. O stolen. Look two, corner pass. For three. Bang! Pineda! And here comes behind the back three ball. Domingo, Team Clark Cabra. Region 2, bounce pass to the middle, fake, Baltan. Floater, that's good. Possession for Clara, corner pass, fake. Inside pass, post up, binangga, fade space, rejected. Rejected. And Baltan. Baltan dancing, spins, inside pass, almost scoped away and stolen by Luke 2. Luke 2, no look pass, nakatapikan. Recover by Luke 2. Luke 2, pass to the middle, takes number 12. Straight space for 3, too strong. Rebound, mapupunta sa Cabra. And lost the handle, recover. Domingo, Baltan, binangga, kicks out, number 29, is Spence, nakalusot yun, oh! Pakpak. And for the ball possession, Caraa, bounce pass, Pineda, to the middle, attack, plays, oh, lusot na lusot yan. And ball possession for Region 3, Clara for 3, Hossein, bang! And Baltan stop pull-up jumper, no. Rebound, put back, basket is good. pass. Fight of the window. That's good.